Creating a crypto wallet might sound daunting, but it's easier than it seems. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners to get started. First, understand what a crypto wallet is. It's a digital tool that allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. Think of it like a bank account, but for digital currencies. There are two main types: hot wallets, which are connected to the internet, and cold wallets, which are offline. Hot wallets are convenient for frequent transactions, while cold wallets offer more security for long-term storage. Next, choose the right wallet for your needs. Popular options include software wallets like Exodus and mobile wallets like Trust Wallet. If security is a priority, consider hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor. These devices keep your private keys offline, making them less vulnerable to hacks. Once the wallet type is selected, it's time to download or purchase it. For software wallets, head to the official website or app store. Always double-check the source to avoid scams. If opting for a hardware wallet, purchase directly from the manufacturer to ensure authenticity. After installation, open the wallet and create a new account. This usually involves setting a strong password. It's crucial to choose a unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Some wallets will also generate a recovery phrase, which is a series of words that can restore access if the password is forgotten. Write this down and store it in a safe place. Never share it with anyone. Now, it's time to fund the wallet. Most wallets allow users to buy crypto directly through the app using a credit card or bank transfer. Alternatively, users can transfer crypto from an exchange like Coinbase or Binance. To do this, copy the wallet address provided in the app and paste it into the exchange when withdrawing funds. Always double-check the address to avoid losing money. Once the wallet is funded, users can start sending and receiving cryptocurrencies. To send crypto, enter the recipient's wallet address, specify the amount, and confirm the transaction. For receiving, simply share the wallet address with the sender. Finally, remember to keep the wallet secure. Enable two-factor authentication if available, and regularly update the wallet software. Keeping backups of the recovery phrase and wallet data is also essential. Creating a crypto wallet is a straightforward process that opens the door to the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. With the right wallet and security measures, users can confidently manage their digital assets. Thanks for watching the Crypto Academy 101. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.